We need to import an Illustrator file, so I click Ctrl I. This is our file. I selected this and click OK. Select Composition, Layer Size on Footage Dimension, click OK. Double click on that composition. Select Ball Layers and change Blending Mode Normal to Color Burn. Select Text Tool or press Ctrl T. Then type your text. Arrange the anchor point to the center. The easiest way is to press Ctrl and double-click Pen Behind tool. Then align text to the center. Go to Effects and Preset, select Animation Presets. Click the preset folder, in that folder select Text folder. Select the text bounce effect and drag to the text layer. This is the text bounce effect. Changing the values effect to bounce animation. If you want to change the bounce settings values, just try like this. Now we go to animate that two lines using preset effects. Select the bottom line layer. Then search Wave Warp effect in the preset panel. Apply to that line layer. You can change the settings as you need in that wave effect. Do the same way to animate the top line layer. We are going to mask the text layer. Select the text layer and draw the rectangle shape. I want to adjust the mask, so I moved little bit to the upper portion. This is okay for me. So you must try to do.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share videos. Subscribe channel for more videos.